Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm Marcella, and today I'm here to talk to people about having healthier hearing. I want to talk to you all today about a supplement that can support your hearing and help you hear better. So, if you guys are ready, I will be talking about Cortexi. This is a natural supplement composed of only ingredients derived from nature. It does not have toxins or GMOs, and Cortexi has many great benefits to help you out as well. So, if you are ready to have the perfect support for your hearing, listen up because Cortexi is your answer. Okay guys, before we get started, I just quickly want to mention this really big alert to you. It is just to watch out for where you are going to purchase Cortexi from. This natural supplement is only being sold on their official webpage. So, if you want to make sure that you are making a safe and secure purchase and are going to receive the original Cortexi, get it directly from their official webpage. I left the link here for you guys to help you out. But, as I was saying, Cortexi is going to support healthy hearing. So, if you have realized that maybe your hearing ain't doing that good lately, having the problem where you always have to be like, can you repeat that for me again? I can understand you. Can't hear well. Cortexi is going to help you support your hearing. Due to it being natural, it has ingredients that are antioxidants and anti-inflammatories. It will also help you strengthen your memory and support your mental sharpness, helping you think much faster and be more mentally alert, which is pretty cool. If you guys did reach that point where you do want to have better hearing and take care of your hearing, Cortexi is a really great supplement for doing just that. So give it a shot. You are backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you need a refund at some point, you have 60 days to do so from the very first day of your purchase. The manufacturers recommend you that you do a 3 or 6 month treatment. Since Cortexi is natural, you have to let your body adapt to it. But results will be really great. You are going to be healthy, and this is something that can really help you better your hearing. Alright guys, give it a shot. You are not going to regret it. Visit the official webpage, read other people's feedback, and if you have questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I will try to help you out, okay? And that's it guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.